Welcome back friends to another video of ITGT YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Codeblocks IDE. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let me show you how many themes your Codeblocks having without this installation process. So you can see that there is only a single theme available, which is only default theme. So all you need is a file called theme.config file, whose link is in the description. You can download it from the description box. Now start the process of install theme. So go to the start menu, find Codeblocks, then go to Codeblocks share config option. A window will pop up which having two consoles. One is source configuration file and another one is destination configuration file. So in the destination you have to choose the default.config file, click on open, and from the source config file you have to choose the theme file which you have downloaded. Now check all those themes that are available in the theme.config file. Now click on transfer option. It will copy or add those selected themes into your default configuration theme package. So click on OK, then save those changes, and again yes. Now we have successfully added those themes in our Codeblocks IDE. Let me show you whether these themes are installed or not. Wait some seconds, it's opening. Now go to the settings option, select editor option. Now from the syntax highlighting menu you can see there are so many themes available now. Previously there was only one default theme. Now there are so many options, so many variety of themes available here. You can choose any one of your favorite themes. Let me show you an example by opening your text file. You can see it's a completely dark theme. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.